Unlike regular ATMs, Paysera ATMs are cardless. It's fast, secure, and directly linked to your Paysera account. Depositing cash is free. Withdrawing cash has a small fee of just 0.35%. Up to €10,000 per transaction and daily or weekly limits apply. First, ensure you have the Paysera Super App installed and a stable internet connection. Security is key. Use a strong phone password or biometrics and be cautious. Lastly, check your account limits in the app beforehand, especially for withdrawals. Ready to deposit? Let's go! Open your Paysera Super App and tap the scan icon at the top right corner. Select My QR code. Scan the QR code shown on the app with the ATM's reader. Select the deposit amount and confirm. Then insert the cash into the ATM when prompted. Now for withdrawals. Open your Paysera Super App and tap More at the bottom. Select Withdraw Money, then choose the account you want to withdraw from and tap Generate Code. Scan the barcode shown on the app with the ATM's reader. Select the withdrawal amount and confirm. Need assistance? We're here to help. During working hours, call us at +370 520 71558.